Greetings and salutations. I have another quick unboxing to do, which this is something I do sell on aquariumthoughts.com, which is another sign similar to this, not exactly like this. This is a new design I have out there, so definitely go on the website and check that out. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and show you what I received. This is a sample I print out just to see how it comes out, see how it looks. I love the way this came out. A few tweaks I wish I could make, but I might do that at a later point in time, but it still looks excellent on here. I do love this one, so that's why I decided let's make another design, and I ordered that to hang on this side of my shed, and so that way it has more decoration. So I'm going to open this up and show you the new design. So don't need that. So basically this is a fish crossing sign, which is this one right here, which this is going to go pretty much right here. So I'm going to open it up, take off the wrapping, and that way I can get a better look at it. Noisy wrapper. I need that wrapper. I'm going to pick that up later. But that's this one right here, which is the fish crossing sign, which is available on my website, aquariumthoughts.com. So definitely check that out, and later I will be hanging it right up here. That way I have more decorations. So thank you. So there you have it. There's my new fish crossing sign, and thanks for watching.